Hi, are you ready to create, grow, and monetize a Facebook group for your business in 2020? I'm Sherri-Lee, and when I started my group in 2015, I had no idea what I was doing to grow my group, let alone make money from it. Over the years, I've tested and tried everything I could think of in my group. Some things worked, some things failed miserably, but I never gave up. And in 2019, I had the most growth and made the most money from my group than ever before. And now I want to share some of those secrets with you in the Facebook Groups Growth Workshop. You see, there's really only 5 things that you need to think about with your Facebook group. 1, setting it up so that it clearly says who you are and what you do so that you can attract the right people to your group. 2, growing your group with ideal prospects. 3, engaging those prospects so that they get to know you better and you get to know them. 4, collecting email addresses from your members so that you can grow your email list without ads and deepen your relationships with them. And 5, make invitations to your members that help them solve their biggest problems without you feeling pushy and silly. I don't know about you, but when I found out there was only 5 things to focus on, it was a huge relief because, like you, I didn't want this to take all of my time to manage. And that's what I'll be sharing with you in the Facebook Groups Growth Workshop starting on January 14th. I would love to have you join me. Are you ready to start 2020 with a bang? Then click the link below, join in for this fun and free workshop, and let's start growing your business together using Facebook groups. I'll see you there.